What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another sneaker review for you guys. Today I have the Nike Rubber Dunk Off-Whites in the black and green colorway that released last week, I believe. But here you go. Got your size sticker right there. Nike on the box, shiny in the mug. And you got your holes. You got your holes on the box, you know what I mean? Got your bottom, same thing as always. But I'm really excited that I was able to get these because I actually like these. So let's get into the review. Get them out the box. First, let's show you the paper. There's the paper right there. It's like a orangey yellow, the off-white paper pretty much. A little off-white logos on it. I normally don't hit on off-whites. The Sneakers app I don't think I've ever hit on the Sneakers app on an off-white pair. All the pairs I really never hit on before. I did get a second chance one time on the off-white Carolina blue ones, which I hit on. But that was pretty much the only off-white I ever hit on there. But let's get into the review. Check these boys out. I'm in love with this shoe. I think this is dope. I kind of wish I could get the other colorways, but they're going for a pretty penny, so I'm gonna pass for now. See, it says Nike Off instead of Nike SB. You got your Nike Dunk outsoles. You got your bubble, which your Dunk does not have the bubble. This shoe is probably his most detailed shoe, I think, for the deconstruct part, and the most original to me, because this is actually like a totally different silhouette. I know he used the Dunk outsole, but besides that, this shoe is completely different. I don't see anything on here that I've seen on other shoes before. You're back here, you got your Nike Air, and you're just suede, which is a nice touch. Check it out right there. And it says Nike Air on the back. And then you got you see this, I don't know if you can see, but the swoosh itself is not completely attached all the way in the back there. It has a little bit of separation, kind of like wings or something like that. And on your toe, this material right here is like a soft, like a rubber, obviously rubber dunk, that's what that means. So, and then of course you got your zip tie, but this zip tie, it's not plastic, it has like a felt feeling to it. This part is plastic, but this part is like a felt, and so is this little part right here. It's pretty dope. Of course I'll take this off when I wear them. I don't wear tags on shoes. It's just not my preference. Everybody else, it's okay. Whatever you want to wear, you wear. Obviously your laces that say shoelaces, just in case people don't know what shoelaces are. There are some people in the world that might not, for not obvious reasons. You can't assume everybody knows everything. Common sense is not that common in this world. But of course you got your deconstructed tongue that shows the foam, which otherwise would be covered if it was a regular. Then up the middle here, this part right here is also suede. It's a suede part right there to hold it all together. You got these little pieces right here. I mean, this shoe is completely original. To me, this is a completely original off-white. This is finally something that hasn't been done before. Like, I've never seen anything like this. If you've seen something like this, please comment down below. I know this one, that a lot of people not really liking these, and it, obviously in the numbers it shows, but I like these, man. I think these are pretty damn dope. I would like to get that that silver and bluish pair. That one is crazy. The gold one, not so much, but to have the whole collection, obviously I wouldn't mind getting that one too. But that baby blue and silver pair, that one is something to have. And then of course, you know, you got your little orange little tag right there. This is a dope shoe, man. I don't know, like I said, there's a lot going on here. You got these eyelets that have, it's like rubber. Those are rubber, obviously rubber. Like I said, sound like a broken record, but rubber dunk, obviously. So it's gonna be rubber pieces. Then you got these pieces right here. I'm not really sure what material this is right now. I can't really call it, but then obviously the swoosh is also rubber as well. I mean, so to me this is a dope shoe. It does come with extra laces. You get your extra green laces. I'm not too sure if I would put that in there, unless I'm really going for the whole green look, but it also says shoelaces on the laces as well. Then of course on your inside, you got your off-white Beaverton Oregon stamp like he puts on all his off-whites. This one actually says 2019, which is weird, which is not weird, but that's interesting because we're in 2020, and I believe there was another shoe that had 2020 on it. I don't know, I'm not too sure on that. But then on the insoles, the insole is pretty much the paper that's on in the box. That's what you got on the insole. You got that swoosh that goes straight up like that. But these are fire, man. I don't know, just me. I guess I just like different things sometimes, but these are fire to me. I will be keeping these. I will be wearing these. So if you guys like this, I would suggest to get a pair. Don't sleep on these. This is really a dope sneaker. I would definitely scoop up a pair if you can. Get them. Don't sleep on them. Get them now. Get them while they're low. I have a feeling they will go up. We all know what happens with off-whites. They all go up. Let me give y'all the view, like always. At your front, at your side, at your other side, and you got your back. If you guys like this video, rate, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me. Check out my website. Probably gonna have it back up right now. It's down, but let's I'm gonna keep all those links down below in the description. And I hope you guys have a great one. And until the next video, I'm out. Peace.